Today we'll talk about how can you disable sign or know how you can do that on your Spotify app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on settings in privacy here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on notifications. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on your podcast and episodes here. So then here can you manage your new podcast episodes in this list if you want to enable it here or disable it like this. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.